Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Advanced Software Tutorials. This is your host as usual Amar, and I thank you for coming by and stop to see our new tutorial. In this tutorial, let's see how we can create our own first program for C Sharp and .NET and see how the program works and understand more basic concepts. So right now I am here inside Visual Studio, and if you remember in the previous tutorial we have created this console app and we are inside it right now. Now in case that you have a black solution or would like to create another project, you can simply come down here, hit right click and create a new project and select the .NET Core console app. Now we already done that, so let's see how we can create our own first C Sharp program. So if you notice over here we have this console application, and this console application is our own C Sharp program, but we want it to be more complex and more extendable, so it does more complex operation rather than just printing hello world in the screen of the console. So what we can do, let's create a prime number checker. So let's close this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print a message over here, and what I'll do, I'll ask the user to input a new number inside the console screen. So let's do that. So we're gonna say over here, please input a number. So what we wanna do is the following. We wanna read the input of the user and determine that number. Okay, so to determine if this is an even number, not a prime number, sorry, we will do the following. We're gonna first thing first need to call the console.readLine. Now the read line is a command that will make the program read the value inputted to the screen, and I'm gonna call this for my num. So now over here we need to do or make this value that is read a number. So we're gonna say int dot parse. Now I don't want to get very complex with you. I wanna just make things for you really simple. And this command is like telling my program, whatever you read from the command line, I want you to transfer it to a number. And I don't want you to worry too much about this. We will get much deeper into it in the next few tutorials. So now, after we have our own number, this is what we need to do. We need to determine if this number is an even number or not. So how we can do that? We will say if my number is divided by 2, give me a value of 0, this is an even number. So we're gonna print in the console dot write line we're gonna say my num is a even number, or is an. Okay, now if not, we're gonna say that this is not an even number, and we're gonna put it over here. And let's run our own application. Now, when we run the console, I want you to notice that first thing first, we will have the please input message. Now here you can input any number you would like. So I'm gonna input 10. Now notice that because 10 is an even number, it has printed to me that 10 is an even number. Now let's run it again and let's enter an uneven number. So let's enter 5. And as you notice, the message has changed and we can see right now this is not an even number. So as you can see, we have a huge capabilities inside our own C# programs to interrupt the user inputs and do operations on them. And there are many applications that you can create and do with C#. Now this is just a basic example to show you the basic capabilities of C# and its ability to create programs. But later on, for sure, you don't want to give your customer just a console application. You want to get much deeper and give him some UI, some maybe websites, whatever you think that is suitable for you and them to help them do their work. So I would like to thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel and check the description for offers that we always give to our own valuable viewers. I would like to thank you for watching this tutorial and please stay for the next video.